at the Water Quality Lab that UTHealth Houston has here at the El Paso Water Robertson drinking water plant. So it's really exciting to have a water quality lab at an actual drinking water treatment plant. Compared to other cities throughout the state, water is very much a precious resource. And working with El Paso Water and then being at the university, you have to be innovative in how you use water, whether it's drinking water, wastewater, environmental waters. And so as a student to come here and to see how we have to innovatively use water, but also have the opportunity to have access to a water quality lab, to work closely with the water utility, is just a wonderful experience that you wouldn't necessarily have at other universities in the state. You're a network of 6 different, school of public health campuses across the state. So yes, you're physically here in El Paso, which has so many different advantages, including being on, the U.S.-Mexico border and having those experiences as well. But, you're able to work with colleagues in Houston, Austin, Dallas, San Antonio, Brownsville, work with other students there, other faculty members, research, and have that network across the whole state of Texas. And so if you're wanting to do work that's related to the community and community engagement, El Paso is the place to do it. We have the resources, we have the relationships with different community organizations to do a wide array of work, whether it's chronic diseases or infectious diseases or work with water. We have those connections for it.